Hello 12th standard students, welcome back to chapter 1 applications of matrices and determinants. Today we are going to see exercise 1.3 sum number 4. 4 men and 4 women can finish a piece of work jointly in 3 days while 2 men and 5 women can finish the same work jointly in 4 days. Okay, find the time taken by one man alone and that of one woman alone to finish the same work by using our matrix inversion method. Okay, so first we are going to frame the equation. This you cannot frame as usual x plus y equal to something like that, because this is work done by women as well as men for 3 days jointly. So this is actually your basic in 8th standard. You have studied about work done problem. Now this is come as for matrix inversion method. So let us see. Let number of days taken by one man to finish a piece of work be x. Similarly for women I have put it as y. Okay, now I'll explain you how we are going to get this 1 by x. Okay, suppose a man is building this wall. He is taking 6 days. Okay, total days. So first day he can do this much work, second day he can do this much work, third day he can do this much, and similarly 4, 5, 6 days he completes. That means in one day what will be the amount of work done by him? It will be 1 by x. Okay, suppose for the same one day, suppose 4 men are joining. That means 4 into 1 by x. That means they can finish 4 parts of the wall in one day itself. So for amount of work done by one man in one day, I am going to take it as 1 by x. If 4 men combine for the same day, it will be 4 by x, or if 10 means 10 by x, or 2 means 2 by x. Okay. Similarly for a woman, you take a woman is building a wall in 5 days. Y, you keep it as y. Then in one day it will be 1 by y. Suppose 2 women are joining, means it will be 2 into 2 by y. Okay. So similarly the amount of work done by one woman in one day is going to be 1 by y. But in our problem they have given 4 men and 4 women. So amount of work done by 4 men in one day. First you do it for one day. Okay. For in one day means 4 by x. You multiply by 4. Similarly for a woman it is going to be 4 by y. But what they have given in the statement? They have finished a piece of work jointly in 3 days. So for one day they are doing 4 by x and 4 by y. For 3 days you have to multiply by 3, each 4 by x into 3 and 4 by y into 3. Your first equation will be 12 by x plus 12 by y equal to 1. Okay. Similarly the second equation they have given 2 men and 5 women. So I have taken 2 by x and 5 by y, and how many days they are doing jointly? For 4 days. So I have multiplied by 4, 2 by x into 4 and 5 by y into 4 equal to 1. So our second equation is 8 by x plus 20 by y equal to 1. Okay. Now 1 by x and 1 by y we cannot keep in our matrix and multiply. So I am going to convert this 1 by x into a and 1 by y into b. Okay. So we know that ax equal to b and x equal to a inverse b. So we are converting this matrix equation into linear equations into matrix form. 12a plus 12b equal to 1 and 8a plus 20b equal to 1. So our coefficients are 12 and 12, 8 and 20, and our unknowns are a and b, and this right hand side you have got 1 and 1 because it is one piece of work, so we are putting it as 1. Okay. And a inverse formula is 1 by determinant a into adjoint a. So determinant a you are getting the minor value, multiply the principal diagonal minus the other diagonal. So 240 minus 96 will give you 144, which is not equal to 0. Therefore a inverse exists. Okay. Now we are going to go into the solution. X equal to a inverse b, 1 by 144 into our adjoint. Interchange the 20 and 12 and change the sign for 12 and 8, and then multiply by 1 and 1, the column b column. So you get it as 1 by 144 into 20 minus 12 and minus 8 by 12. So your solution is 8 by 144 and 4 by 144 will give you AB, that is 1 by 18 and 1 by 36. Therefore what is our A actually? A equal to 1 by x equal to 1 by 18 and B equal to 1 by y equal to 1 by 36. Therefore x equal to 18 and y equal to 36. So what is our question? How many? Find the time taken by one man alone. So one man alone. So time taken by one man alone to finish the work. How much time he takes? 18 days. Similarly, time taken by one woman alone to finish the work equal to 36 days is your answer. Okay, this is your final answer. You have found out using your matrix inversion method. Okay, thank you.